Paneled door. Let us see the basic structure of paneled door in buildings. Paneled doors are widely used in almost all types of buildings, since they are strong and give better appearance than batten doors. There are many types of panel door. Some commonly used are: one panel door. Let us see the close-up view of one panel door. The number of panel is only 1. Two panel door. The two panel door consists of two panels which is divided horizontally or vertically based on requirements. Double leaf panel door. Paneled door may contain single leaf for small opening or may contain two leaves for wider opening.